Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the v-nand SSD 970 EVO from Samsung. So we're really excited about this drive. This is the 250GB version. Here's how it comes packaged too, just so you can see it yourself. But Samsung's always got sweet drive packaging. So nothing too special, but again, great graphics, great color schemes, great photography, all that. So here's how it comes, if you can see that. Bring it just a little closer for you. 5-year limited warranty. So we'll go ahead and open it up. All right. Cool packaging again. Nice little plastic case to protect it. That's how it comes. I can see that there's a manual in there. Now we'll go ahead and see if we can just gently open it up. There we go. I'm just always impressed with how little this is compared to an SSD, which I always thought was little. So that's it. 250 gigs right there. So really a cool drive. Let's see if you can see that in the camera. Try to bring it really close. And I don't think you can, unfortunately. But really a sweet drive right there. That's it. So I will go ahead and check out the video description below so you can see if this is the right drive for you. The link will take you to Amazon and you can shop from there, read reviews, see other images. They'll have different models too. So this is just the 250GB version, but they have other ones to suit any and all your memory needs. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.